Imagine a world where your phone recognizes your face instantly, or where your favorite streaming service seems to know exactly what you want to watch next. These aren't scenes from a distant future, they're powered by artificial intelligence right now. AI's capabilities are far more integrated into our daily lives than most people realize. In this video, we'll uncover how AI works, where it shows up in your routine, and why it's so much more than just science fiction. Let's start by clearing up some common misconceptions about AI and see how it's already shaping our world. Most people think of AI, they picture sentient robots from blockbuster movies, but the reality is much more relatable. AI isn't about humanoid machines taking over the world. Instead, it's about smart systems that help us every day, like voice assistants, recommendation engines, and even self-driving cars. By shifting our perspective from sci-fi fantasies to practical tools, we can better appreciate how AI is already woven into the fabric of our lives. Let's take a closer look at what AI really means. At its core, artificial intelligence is about teaching computers to think and learn like humans. Instead of following rigid instructions, AI systems can analyze information, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Think of it as giving computers the ability to solve problems on their own, whether it's recognizing your voice or recommending a new song. This shift from simple automation to intelligent decision-making is what sets AI apart from traditional technology. So how does AI actually work? It all starts with data, lots of it. AI systems consume massive amounts of information, searching for patterns and connections that humans might miss. Algorithms or sets of rules help the AI process this data and make decisions. Imagine a digital brain that's constantly learning from new experiences, getting smarter with every piece of information it receives. This process allows AI to assist us in ways that were once unimaginable. You might be surprised at how often you interact with AI. In healthcare, AI helps doctors predict diseases and analyze scans with incredible accuracy. In finance, it detects fraud and manages investments. Creative fields use AI to generate art, music, and even write stories. These real-world examples show that AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool making a difference in our lives right now, often working behind the scenes to improve outcomes and efficiency. Why do we rely on AI? The main reason is its ability to solve complex problems quickly and efficiently. AI can turn chaos into order, helping us tackle challenges that would be overwhelming for humans alone. Whether it's managing global logistics, optimizing energy use, or finding solutions to climate change, AI's purpose is to make our lives easier and unlock new possibilities. It's a tool for progress, designed to help us achieve more than ever before. Across the globe, AI is driving innovation in countless industries. From streamlining supply chains to improving education and public safety, its influence is everywhere. As AI continues to evolve, it's opening doors to new opportunities and helping societies address some of their biggest challenges. The more we understand and embrace AI, the more we can harness its potential for good. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more clear AI insight. What's one thing about AI that blows your mind? Let me know in the comments. Are you ready to explore what the future holds with AI? As technology advances, staying informed and curious is key. By learning more about AI, you can better understand how it shapes your world and how you can use it to your advantage. Don't miss out on the latest developments. There's always something new to discover in the world of artificial intelligence. As we wrap up, think about the possibilities. What problem do you believe AI should solve next? The journey of artificial intelligence is just beginning, and its future will be shaped by the questions we ask and the challenges we set. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of AI and its impact on our lives.